Welcome to Florida Cemetery Channel. I'm a Florida Golden Girl, your host. Today's travel adventure takes us to the Polynesian Resort. Newly remodeled. We haven't been here in years, and we have reservations at Ohana's for dinner. And I'll tell you all about it later, but we are going to explore this newly renovated hotel. Come along for the adventure. Okay, so we're at the Polynesian Resort lobby. Oh my gosh. So this is the front of it, and they've really, all of these are native plants. And so this really, some of it looks the same, and a lot of it doesn't. Wow, very impressive. Yeah. And then up there is the monorail. That hasn't changed. Hi. Okay, so immediately to the left is Boutique, and we're gonna go and be doing a separate video on the boutique here. It's called the Tiki Boutique. So, oh my gosh. Does this look like something from a bad tiki movie? It looks a little bit better. But, oh my gosh. So we are going to Ohana's restaurant. Oh, wow. So you can either take the elevator, or you could take the stairs. And we are going to take the stairs. Okay, so after we paid, we got further exploring to do. So I got a little bit of opportunity, but this is just the new decor that they got. The second level is nothing but the restaurants, the lounges. Some things have not changed. You have check-in over there. So they always have a little something, a little information. So this just says, so just remember those extras are going to cost. So now, just to give you a little bit of a heads up, remember I mentioned about that store I went to called Recycling the Magic? Well, folks, they went they did a shopping tour, and they have some original Polynesian merchandise from the resort. So there's people that collect it. If you're into the tiki stuff, you need to go check it out. Now, would I go back to do another shopping review? Yeah, I can go back. I went back a week ago and picked up some stuff. But this is their version of checking in. Kind of cute, huh? It really is much nicer, but then it got a lot of people. They're purists, and they like how it used to be. But sometimes things need to be updated.
Everybody acts like old nuns going on. Have you noticed?
There he is, folks. My sidekick of 34 years.
No. You sure?
Yeah, I'm positive.
I don't think so.
Really? I got a document that proves otherwise, and I had it. Really?
Yes.
I'm gonna tell Eric on you.
I'm telling you what's forged. You're not my wife. You're a clone. Okay. Anyway, it was a great time. We had a good time. It was nice. Nice coming back here. It's been a while.
Okay, folks. Now we're going to go through the back. Okay. So a lot of the changes that they have made has been to all the adding vegetation. So we're gonna just go walk around, folks.
Okay. Hey, Christina.
And they're doing more stuff over here. So there's still more stuff. So if you remember when we went to the Boardwalk Resort, they have the same type of setup here where the kids will watch the movies and things like that. And this is new because they didn't have this here before. Okay, so we're gonna go to another side.
Oh. It's a little place you can just sit. Oh, that's the new one, honey. We gotta go to the new building.
Yeah,
We need to go to the new building.
yeah, we could do that. Annette, are you kidding me? Everybody remember Annette Funicello?
Yeah, I remember her.
Huey, Dewey, and Louie. Castaway.
When did she pass away?
A long time ago.
Really?
Yep. So there's another little place you can go and get something to eat called Captain Cook's. Yeah, it's been decades. Yeah. And so this is all the same, folks.
Man, that's pretty cool.
Yep.
They put a restaurant in there.
Yeah, but it's just,
I remember that.
yeah, it's just fast food. Yeah.
Remember, honey?
Yep. Okay, so we're going to the other side. We're going to Trader Sam's Tiki Terrace. So I'm not into the tiki stuff. And would I pay the outrageous amount of money to stay here? No, I stayed here in the 80s. I was working at Epcot, and met a lady, was a couple of them, and I did a favor for them, and they're like, oh, come by our resort, and I did, and oh, why don't you spend the night? You know, how many opportunities do you have to go to a Disney resort? And I crashed. It's pretty cool. That's fine.
That's new. They got a tiki bar. It is cool coming back. It's pretty cool coming back. Polynesian's a very nice resort. Very nice resort. Come on.
I can say much for their food.
Now the food was good. Still good.
Ugh.
It was it was just menu change. Menu change.
And portion size.
Portions.
Yeah.
There's a white sand. They put a giant white sand beach along one.
Really?
They never had that. Right, all the way goes all the way down there.
Oh, you know what?
They were making it when we came here.
No, that's been there a long time.
But they
Remember?
refurbished it.
No, but a long time ago, folks.
That's right, a
A long time ago, there used to be a way we could sneak on property, and we used to hang out here sometimes and have picnics on this beach.
I remember that.
Yep. There used to be a way, you know,
And
because
they closed. It was closed down for a long time.
yep. But there used to be a way we used to sneak on this beach when we were young, and we would hang out and do a lot of things. I just thought it would be cool to show you some places that this is
There's a ferry going.
yep,
over to
this
the
is
parking.
this is pre-Sidekick, folks. So
This is way. We did this. This is back in the '80s when they used to have this beach.
Yep.
And then they closed it down in the '90s.
yeah.
And look how far they refurbished it.
Yep.
To, all the way down.
We
there.
used to do volleyball. We used to bring
I
beer.
remember that.
We used to hang out.
That's right.
And it would be after work, and sometimes it would be we'd all get together and hang out here, and it would be late in the evening. Just something to do. You know, back then we were working here. I was going to school in the Army and working at Disney, and you know, you learn to be creative when you ain't got a lot of money. You found ways to entertain yourself, and this was just one of them.
This was it.
And we were innocent back then, but we had the best time ever.
Yeah, this was cool.
Yep.
This is when all the employees went back out here
Yep,
to play
a
volleyball.
lot. Yeah, a lot of them did.
And to drink. It was mostly drinking.
Mostly drinking.
Mostly drinking.
Yeah, that's cool.
Oh man, it's good to be back here. It's pretty cool.
It's kind of nice, you know. It's our anniversary, so we're just kind of reminiscing on the things we used to do, the positive things we used to do.
You can rent with that. You can rent it. and
Yeah,
it takes
see,
you all the
that's
way
new.
out. That's new.
They didn't have
that.
that before.
Want to rent it? Want to go? Let's
No,
go.
Mike. No,
Come on.
I don't want. No,
It's always no with you. Let's go. Come on.
that's
Come on,
okay.
it's always
Always,
no.
there's always another time.
No. Oh, it's just nice being back here. It's nice. It's nice.
So we decided to just take a little bit of a breather. More sand. As if we didn't get enough of that at Clearwater Beach a few days ago. There he is, folks.
Hey, how's it going? All right. It's just nice being back here again.
Yeah, it is. It is.
This is your favorite one too. No, we're going ahead and when we get the silver, we're gonna go stay in one of the suites.
Just for you, Eric, that sign was put up. But for you, I'd say go ahead and go for it. Go in the water. Go for a swim. Nothing will hurt you. We'll be back here cheering you on.
Hey, you're gonna see us in September.
Okay, folks, we had an enjoyable time here at Disney's Polynesian Resort. We are waiting for our vehicle. And so it's interesting to say the least. But with that, thank you for coming along with us on another travel adventure. Drop a comment in the box below. Let me know your thoughts. He's over there worn out. As I mentioned, you know, he's got health issues. We all do, but we're on our way home, folks. Thank you for watching. So long for now.